Hey guys, we're back in live at 11:29, and we're running a mini for Bill's Imperial Gunner. There he is. Nice looking figure. I got 50 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Now to find our top four win spots in a May. Going to paste them in there, 1 through 50. Going to roll the bones here. Got to get at least a 5. We did. We got an 8, which means we're in great shape to run this mini. Mark takes round 1. Don 2. Mark takes round 3. Rob takes 4. David 5. Mark again on top in round 6. And round 7. And our winners are Josh, Mark, Pat, and Josh. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. MSRCXS. That was a bit of a tongue twister there. There's our results. I am done at 11:30. There you have it. Again, here's our results. Congrats to the winners. See you guys. Thanks.